Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 67. Here's the last time up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is just a little bit hard to see, so I can cut the plastic first. There you go, it's NE206676358. That's NE206676358. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the base 60 out of 299 for the Predators of Mike Fisher. Got a mammoth jersey of Jonas Hiller for the Ducks, 16 out of 50. Gold patch on a rookie, 2 out of 50 for the Kings of Tanner Pearson. Got a jersey card, 73 out of 99 of Quinton Howard for the Panthers. Got a nice hit here, patch on a rookie, 8 out of 25, gold of Valerie Nikushkin for the Stars. Nice hit for Dallas. And they have a base card, 203 to 299 for the Flyers of Jakub Voracek. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.